in order to create a new department into your system, you're going to click on Office, go to Data Entry, click on Products, going to go to Department, and then click on Create New Department. This window will pop up for department setup, and right over here you can see all the departments that you already have added into your system already. And here we can generate a new department. As you can see, the department ID will be generated by your system, and here you can input the new department that you're trying to add into your system, which you want to create. I'm going to do dry fruits for an example. Another thing with creating a new department is you can select the tax that will be applied to the department. So suppose I only have one tax added, but if you go to tax setup, there's 3 different options for taxes that you can input, and from there they will show up right here, and you can select which tax you want to be applied to this specific department that you're trying to input into your system. That means whatever items that are added into the dry fruits, I'm going to have NG tax selected, they will be taxed accordingly. So whenever I add any item that will go in the dry fruits department, I don't need to input each item's tax individually. It will just be taxed as it is selected on this department. So I'm going to select that, and if the department you're adding can be used for manual entry, then you can click on this box. If it's not for manual entry, then you don't have to select it. I don't think dry fruits will most likely for me come in packages, so I don't think I would have to do a manual entry, so I'm not going to do that. And then we're just going to hit save, and it'll pop up that the new department has been added to the database. Click on OK. Now suppose you need to edit any of these, you could just select it. It'll pop up right here. If you need to edit the tax, this manual entry, also if you need to delete it. Now suppose another thing also is, I'm going to go to groceries and I'm trying to delete this department. When this window pops up, it will ask you to confirm that you're deleting the department, but it will also show that 4 items will be deleted from this department because you probably have 4 items that are added under that department. So that's also one other thing. And when you're done, just hit save to make sure everything has been saved into your system, and just hit close. That's how you add a new department.